Welcome friends to Insulin Part 6, third lecture of the applied aspect. Here we try to understand very common emergency in day-to-day practice, that is hypoglycemia. Objective in applied aspect, hypoglycemia and insulinoma. Hypoglycemia definition: when blood glucose level is below 80 milligram per 100 ml of blood, that is known as hypoglycemia. It is very common in diabetic patient. Causes of hypoglycemia in diabetic patient: first one, less food intake, definitely responsible for hypoglycemia. Second, overdose of oral hypoglycemic agent or anti-diabetic drugs. When overdose is taken, it produces more hypoglycemia. Third, when diabetic patient is doing heavy exercise, which is not recommended in diabetic patient, as it do hypoglycemia. And some other causes of hypoglycemia in general may be or may not be in patient of diabetes mellitus. First one is the postprandial after diet, and that is the seen in patient where gastric resection is done, part of the stomach is removed, and then after meal there will be hypoglycemia. Second, insulinoma, tumor of the islets of Langerhans which secrete too much insulin and responsible for hypoglycemia. Other cause is liver failure. Here basically the metabolism is reduced in the liver cell, that is the first reason. Second, glycogen storage is also reduced in hepatic failure or liver failure. And last cause, that is alcohol. So alcohol basically stimulate insulin secretion, and when overdose of this alcohol may be responsible for hypoglycemia. Now the severity of hypoglycemia depends on the sugar level. So whether blood sugar of the patient is 60 milligram per deciliter, 40, 30 or 20, like that sugar level. Second, rapidity of the reduction. So how rapidly sugar level fall, acute fall of the sugar level. And third, the previous sugar level. So severity depend on the three factor: current sugar level, how rapidly it reduced to this level, and what was the previous sugar level. Now some clinical feature of the hypoglycemia. Hypoglycemia is very common emergency you may find in the emergency or medicine ward. So common clinical feature to diagnose hypoglycemia. So patient start complaining of hunger, fatigue, weakness, then tremor, difficulty in fine movement to catch something, then loss of deep tendon reflex when you try to elicit the deep tendon reflex, like knee reflex. Then some vasomotor symptom, perspiration, flushing, pallor, some central nervous system symptom, anxiety, irritability, unconsciousness or coma, convulsion, delirium, disturbed state of the mind or restlessness or illusion. And if you don't treat it as hypoglycemia is emergency, there may be a death of patient. So very common emergency you will face in the ward many a times. You need to identify from clinical features like perspiration, flushing, breathlessness, irritable, not properly answering your questions. Now, what investigation you will do? So I am not mentioning here about the investigation, as I have already mentioned in the previous slides. In the definition, just check blood glucose level with help of glucometer. If it is below 80 milligram per deciliter, then you suspect hypoglycemia. Now, what is the prevention? What is the treatment in case of the hypoglycemia? So first of all, how to prevent hypoglycemia? So educate patient of the diabetes about the clinical features of the hypoglycemia and how to treat when someone is outside the home or no hospitality is available. I always advise my patients, diabetic patient, to keep one or two chocolate in pocket or packet of sugar in the pocket when they go for exercise or they go for outing, or constantly they should keep this chocolate or packet of sugar in his pocket, wallet or purse. So whenever they feel uncomfortable or any clinical feature of the hypoglycemia, if they identify, they just take it, right? With one chocolate or some one or two packet of sugar cannot produce too much hyperglycemia. But yes, hypoglycemia is very dangerous. It may produce death if not treated in few minutes. Now treatment part. Intravenous D25 100 ml IV fast, 2 or 3 bottle of intravenous this dextrose 25 should be given, and then check again the blood glucose level. If it is in the comfortable range, then and then stop. And once patient become conscious, you can offer the food for a half day or one day. You can ask him not to take any anti-diabetic treatment or insulin or oral hypoglycemic agents. Insulinoma, very rare condition, occurs due to adenoma of the isolates of the Langerhans. Most of the time it is benign, only 10 to 15% are malignant, may spread to the whole part of the body as metastasis. As the name suggests, insulinoma, hypersecretion of the insulin, lead to hypoglycemia and sometimes shock. And when blood glucose level is too low, it may damage brain permanently. So it is emergency. So what treatment one should advise? Rapid intravenous glucose, because there is a high insulin in the blood, and to over hypoglycemia because of this insulinema, we require rapid infusion of glucose plus glucagon. ग्लूकागोन में do glycogenolysis and increase blood glucose level. So we should give IV glucose plus glucagon for the treatment of hypoglycemia and shock due to insulinoma. One should take care that treatment should be immediate after diagnosis, otherwise permanent neurological damage may occur. So that's from today's lecture. Thank you. Jai Swaminarayan.